Behind me is Mount Mary Church, and we came here to explore, but then we are at Old Goa right now, and since the feast is over, this is how Old Goa looks like. While the pandal is still there, but all the shops and everything has been vacated. So as you all know, for the past month there was feast of Saint Francis Xavier, which is over now. So the shops and everything are getting wrapped up, and everything has been vacated. The place जो जगह थी वो खाली कर दी गई है. Now traffic and everything, parking and everything is back to normal now. This pandal is still there, but after some time even they'll be removing this, and only then you can directly see the church from main road. This is how the streets looks like right now. This is Mount Mary Church. I'm sure most of the films you must have seen this. Behind me is Mount Mary Church. I'm sure in most of the films you must have seen this. We came here to explore, but then the security just told us that it's been 2 years. Nobody is allowed to go there because of the restoration work that has been going on. यहाँ पे restoration का काम चल रहा है, इसीलिए अभी people are not allowed. That is the thing. Otherwise I would have made a proper video here. Second thing is this is another famous church which is nearby to Old Goa campus. अगर आप ओल्ड गोवा पहुँचे हैं और आपने अगर ये जगह नहीं देखी, then it's just a good opportunity. This place is so beautiful. Last time I had come here, the video if I have I'll show you all, but since the security was telling that from the past 2 years nobody is allowed to go there, it seems. I'll just show you from here. These are the steps, and I am sure in few of the movies you must have seen this, especially shown in Golmaal and all the best. Most of the Rohit Shetty films this place is shown. I wish मैं आपको दिखा सकता ये place, but then it's fine, next time. And also one more thing, मैंने मेरी लाइफ का एक एड शूट किया था यहाँ पे मिंत्रा का, and यहीं पे वो शूट वगैरह चल रहा था, यहाँ पे और एक जगह है सेंट अगस्टिन टावर। सो ये दो प्लेसेस थे जहाँ पे मिंत्रा का मैंने एड शूट किया था। दैट वाज वे बैक इन 2019। So since the church is closed for restoration, it's time to go back